Welcome to another video of Yoga with Loveleen. Today we will do 5 exercises for healthy eyes. If you want to improve your eyesight, blurred vision, if you have dry eyes or watery eyes, if your eyes feel irritated like burning or itching, or if you have early signs of cataract, even headache and difficulty in concentrating. These are the 6 muscles which are attached to the eyeball and move it to all directions. When these muscles are strained from intense use or other reasons, they can be inflamed and can become weak. These exercises will work on these muscles and make them stronger, which will keep the eyeballs healthy. Do not overdo with the eyes exercises. Once or twice a day is suggested and not more than that. The first exercise we will do is deep blink. Look upwards and then close your eyes a slightly harder than usual. Look up and then blink a little deeply. We will do this exercise 10 times. Do not strain your eyes and the muscles of your forehead. Take a deep breath. In next exercise, we will look crosswise diagonally. First, look towards your top left corner for 3 seconds. Then, bottom right corner for 3 seconds. Then, top right corner for 3 seconds. And finally, bottom left corner. Close your eyes. And let's do this again. Left top corner, its opposite right bottom corner, then right top corner and left bottom corner. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. The third exercise is very easy. We're just blinking our eyes for 30 to 40 times. These are not deep blinks. Keep your forehead relaxed. And again, take a long deep breath. For next exercise, look towards your extreme left. Then rotate them upwards and move them to right side. And rotate them upwards, bring them back to left side. Now rotate them downwards and move your eyesight to right side. And then again rotating them downwards, bring them back to left. And then close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's do this again. Look at your left, rotate them upwards towards your right and rotating up towards your left. Now rotating down, look towards your right and rotating down, go back to left. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, relax your forehead. For next exercise, stick your thumbs up, bring the arms to the sides at the shoulder level. Without straining the neck, look sideways to your left thumb for 5 seconds. Then focus the eyes upwards on the center of the brows, that is Bhru Madhya. Then look sideways to your right thumb. Finally, look at the center of the brows again. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's do this exercise again. Look sideways to your left thumb for 5 seconds. Then focus the eyes upwards on the center of your brows. Then look sideways to your right thumb and relax. Take a deep breath. And for the final exercise, bring your hand in front of you, point the thumb upwards and bring your hand towards the center of your eyes. Take it farther and then take your hand upwards. Keep your gaze at the tip of your thumb. Do not lose this gaze. Then slowly bring it downwards. From here, make a clockwise circle as wide as possible. Do not turn your head sideways, only move your eyes. Then make an anti-clockwise circle. Again, bring it in the front and towards your brows. Then close your eyes and take a deep breath. We will repeat the same with right hand. Look at the tip of your right hand. Bring it towards the center of your eyes. And then in front, take your hand upwards, slowly downwards, and from here make an anti-clockwise circle first. Do not lose the sight of the tip of the thumb. And then a reverse circle. Again in the front and bringing your hand towards the center of your brows. Close your eyes, relax your forehead and take a deep breath. So we are done with our exercises. Rub your palms together, rub them vigorously, make them warm, and place your palms on your eyes gently. Feel the warmth of the hands and then gently open your eyes. Thank you for watching. If you find these videos useful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Namaste.